Once we get category 1, then now an airport now will need to go through security screening by the United States Transportation Security Administration. They come and do a security audit on the airport. So they look at the systems. They need to make sure that when the passengers board the airplane and their baggage is on board and the cargo that's being carried in the airplane, they have to ensure that they have been properly screened for security, so as to ensure that on their way to the U.S. or landing in the U.S., there can be no possible threat of unlawful interference. For instance, a terrorist threat or a hijacking or any other undesirable event to happen when you land on U.S. soil. So it's an important step.
Wilson Airport, which is the other major airport in Nairobi, has so many issues. I don't even know whether we have enough time to discuss them. But the primary ones, yes. The place has been encroached in such a way that the landing path of aircraft now has buildings, it has apartments, it has all sorts of things, and that implies there's a safety issue there.
Yes, yes.
The airport itself seems to be not very well managed. That obviously has implications for getting category 1, but just normal aviation. Wilson doesn't feel one with as much confidence as, say, JKA does.
That is true. Wilson is a huge challenge, but that challenge is being addressed. Now, the Kenya Airports Authority are the owners of that airport. It is their responsibility to ensure security of people. Now, whereas there has been a challenge, I am aware of plans that they have to enhance the security at that airport. We in Kenya Civil Aviation Authority are the regulatory oversight authority over the Kenya Airports Authority.
Who sorts out, for example, people building on the landing path?
Okay, it is Kenya Civil Aviation Authority. It's us. We're the ones who grant permissions or deny people who want to build on a flight path. On a flight path, you're not allowed to build anything. Unfortunately, there were cases in the past where people had been able to grab land and to construct buildings. But the same Kenya Airports Authority is the one that owns that land. So they're going through a legal process of being able to solve that problem. And in some cases, they're actually going to evict people and even bring down houses and other structures.